Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. The other day in one of my classes, a student of mine was complaining about her mother-in-law. It sounds like she sticks her oar in a fair bit and is often guilty of giving unsolicited advice. My student said she's also always going on about when her and her husband are going to have children because her mother-in-law keeps telling her she wants to be a grandmother. The student that was listening to all of this looked slightly incredulous and said, "I don't know how you put up with all of that. Can't you just tell her to butt out?" If you tell someone to butt out, it's a not super polite but very effective way of telling them that you don't want them to be involved in a particular conversation or in a particular situation. So sometimes I use it with my kids. Maybe my wife and I are discussing something and my son or my daughter come barging into the conversation saying, what are you talking about? At which point I have to tell them, hey, this has nothing to do with you. It's none of your business, so butt out, go away. In the same way, if you have teenage children, like I do, sometimes as a parent you need to butt out of their daily lives. You need to keep your nose out and recognise that not everything they say and do has anything to do with you. Sometimes you even hear politicians use it, or high up people use this phrase to talk about other politicians that they would rather not get involved in things that they think are their business. There was a political spat in Canada recently where one politician said that he wished another one would butt out and mind his own business and let him get on with running his own department. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use butt out.